Certainly countering the massive flames destroying property in Sonoma County is part of it. But at the same time, look at all of these hot spots and smoke. They are everywhere. And with wind conditions like this, all it takes is one big gust for that to go south in a hurry. Tonight, the worst fire California has seen this season is tearing through wine country, burning homes and reducing wineries to ash, fueled by hurricane-force winds, forcing nearly 200,000 people to evacuate, jamming the highways as nearly 2.5 million are still without power.
The winds that we predicted are here. The crews are actively engaged in a pretty intense firefight.
The nightmare unfolding right before our eyes.
How close that is to the highway.
With wind gusts peaking at 93 miles an hour, temporarily grounding the air attack.
It is so strong and it's going everywhere that embers have started at least 6 spot fires, if not more.
The governor has declared a state of emergency across California as historic conditions sparked other blazes like this one in Vallejo.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh, you can feel it.
I cannot believe they're letting us drive through this.
The hot embers being carried by strong winds more than a mile away.
Spot fires have been popping up all day just like this, fueled by the excess of brush. But the problem is with conditions as windy as they are, if firefighters don't get on it right now, it could be a lot worse than just a spot fire.
With sections of the 101 freeway shut down,
the fire has jumped the containment lines.
Flames tore through the historic Soda Rock winery.
Have you ever seen the fire jump from that ridge line over to this side?
No, not on my 30 years that I've been living here.
Jose Gonzalez works at the vineyard next door, and just hours before the blaze tore through, he rigged nearby homes and barns with sprinklers, saving many.
You changed the entire life of like probably 5 to 10 families today.
We did.
Now, more than 3,000 firefighters are battling to keep the flames from spreading southwest toward heavily populated areas and towns near the Pacific Ocean, trying to protect more lives and property from the wrath of the Kincaid fire, far from over.
And Sam, the winds seem to be the key here. What are we expecting for tomorrow and tonight?
Yeah, it's a little bit lighter right now, Kate. It is expected to pick up going into tonight. Not as bad as the night before, but the bigger news right now, officials monitoring the potential for another severe wind event in the middle of next week.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.